Hey guys, we are on the Beach Mouse Bypass Trail here at the U.S. Brandon Backcountry Trail. We are going to take the pedestrian bridge east over to the Interpretive Center and the Saltwater Beach Pavilion. With the addition of this pedestrian bridge across 182, it makes it a lot easier and safer for campers from the campground to get over to the Saltwater Pavilion over on the beach. That is the Saltwater Pavilion for the Gulf State Park, located there on the beach. That is the Interpretive Center across the pedestrian bridge across 182. And we are looking down on 182 back towards Gulf Shores. And there is Beach Mouse Bypass Trail, Middle Lake, and the campground on the other side. And this is Highway 182 looking back to the east towards Orange Beach and the Orange Beach city limits. And again, the Saltwater Pavilion. Beautiful clear October day down here. And the parking lot is nearly empty. We're gonna head on down and check out the Interpretive Center real quick, and then ride over and check out and let you see the Saltwater Pavilion. They have a bicycle share station that's located here at the Interpretive Center here across the pedestrian bridge. Lots of information about the animals that are local to this area. Displays of different shells and feathers. Things you can find around Little Lake, Middle Lake, and Lake Shelby. and things that are in the Gulf of Mexico right out here behind us. And you can't forget our loggerhead sea turtles. Got a little play area down there. We'll go down that way in just a second. The gutters and drains are hooked up to these chain waterfalls. So when it rains, the water will trickle down the chains, making a cool little waterfall effect into these buckets. A couple of those around here. Of course, coming down from the gutter again. And down on the other end, I don't know if you can see it for the sun right now, but there's a chain of buckets that the water runs down. We'll go ahead and go downstairs down here where this little play area is. Little benches and tables underneath in the shade here, but shows how sand erosion and tides work. Pretty cool little interactive area. The bucket waterfall from the gutter system when it rains. And they have a very large map of the trail system here and the Gulf State Park. All the outdoor amenities that you can enjoy, from Lake Shelby over here in the Woodside Restaurant, which we'll check out at a later date. Picnic area down on Lake Shelby. The water tank. Of course, the campground. Nature Center there. And here we are down here at the bottom. We're down on the beach now at the Interpretive Center across from the Saltwater Pavilion. All the way back across to the Orange Beach section where the Butterfly Pavilion is. Just a very vast, great place to enjoy the outdoors. Okay, we're going to ride on over now to the Saltwater Pavilion to check out the view of the beach from there. It's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. Nice shaded area. And this is the Saltwater Pavilion here at Gulf State Park. Lots of shaded picnic area here. looking back down the beach towards Orange Beach. Those yellow pylons on the beach mark a dive reef that are just offshore there from it. And you can't really see it in the video, but just down, you can see another one sticking up just past the dunes. And a little further from that, you can see the Gulf State Park Pier. I'll have a video of that one in a future video. Here comes a plane over. Those are military training planes. The orange and white represent Navy and Marine Corps. There are bathroom facilities along with usually Mojo's, but sometimes a different restaurant caters and actually has a little shop set up here where you can grab a snack or lunch here on the beach. And this is the Saltwater Pavilion here at Gulf State Park. That big arched roof you can see from the road. Nice little swing set up here. They're in the sun right now, but I bet they're really nice in the evening when the sun's behind it. All right, I'm gonna take a quick little break before I head back down the Beach Mouse Bypass Trail. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share, hit the bell notification. I'll be loading videos up a lot. If there's something you'd want to see down here around the Gulf Coast, leave me a message in the comments. Thank you for subscribing, and again, hit that bell notification.